Hello viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Why use a virtual data room for a startup and how to choose one? Is a data room really necessary for startups? The answer seems to be a resounding yes. That's because investor data rooms are a critical instrument for the fundraising process. And as a recent study on the reason why startups fail has shown, lack of investment is associated with a resounding 44% of startup failure. An organized data room helps early stage companies convert potential investor into actual one in many ways. An investor data room help to streamline efforts and improve organization with data room software and automation. Organize company document for better transparency and an improved due diligence process. Ensure the secure system assist and intellectual property protection with features such as auto redaction, fence view and remote wipe. Identify the lead investor and most engaged parties with real-time reporting. Speed up the due diligence process with ready-made checklist. Best data rooms for startup. Not all data rooms are created equal, and some will offer unique benefits for startups. A mix of the right collaboration feature, fast rate security, affordability, and the potential for scaling. The below investor data room list shows you some of the top virtual data room solutions for startups. Important feature of a virtual data room for startup. Certain features are key for a startup virtual data room. Among the elements a look out of the following are some of the most important. Data room certifications for security. Sharing important file via email is risky. Just one type in an email address and your data might end up in the wrong hands. That is why it's important to use a secure place such as a virtual data room for startups. Most data rooms comply with such world renowned security requirement and SOC and ISO more in the below. SOC 2. SOC 2 is a certification provided by the American Association of Certificate Public Accountants or AICPA. It ensures the virtual data room provider has all the papers, procedures, and system in place for proper protection of data privacy and security. Among other things, ISO 27001, ISO IEC 27001 is a international standard for information security. A provider that's ISO 27001 certified is guaranteed to have been tested against a variety of threats and vulnerability and to have been considered reliable to deal with them. Collaboration feature Q&A section. A good virtual data room should offer the ability to ask questions about its content, recent development or specific question in interest, advanced data rooms offer ready-made Q&A workflows, allowing to assign certain questions to experts who are responsible to for timely answering all questions. Secure internal messaging. Speaking of security, secure messaging is another essential way to protect your sensitive data. Data room certifications such as ISO 27001 and SOC 2 tell you your investor data room is a safe space to team and investor communication. Fact: a good support section should include a list of the most frequent questions by the data room user. This allows you to quickly find the resolution to basic issue without needing to open support tickets and potentially wait longer. Security feature for reliable data, encryption of granular access right, and various options for restricted access for view. There's wide range of security feature data rooms can offer to safeguard sensitive information. Taking advantage of such feature help to guarantee that you don't become the victim of a database. Restricted view. For some kinds or confidential or sensitive information, it's good to have the option to share certain file with restricted access. View-only mode presents user for downloading, copying, or sharing information. Fence view allows you to share file so that viewer can only see parts of it, as if thought a fence. It ensures protection against screen capturing. Granular permission. Another way of managing access. Granular permission help you limit file or folder access to certain individual or groups. File set to be viewed by one group only when not be accessible to person outside of that group. This help further protect the confidentiality of your content. Restricted access. Certain data room help you extend your contact other content in your company.